Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Mango app. You click on settings. In this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Or above here, you search about Mango app and we click. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we go to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Mango and we click here. And then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again here in this page. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.